Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Measure precisely. 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoons salt into a mixing bowl. Whisk these dry components together for about 30 seconds until evenly distributed and no visible lumps remain. Sift that blended dry mix once into a larger bowl to aerate it. Sifting makes the batter lighter and prevents dense spots when frying. Set the dry mix aside and wipe the bowl to receive wet ingredients next. Crack and whisk 2 large eggs in a separate bowl, then add 1 cup whole milk and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Whisk until smooth. Make a well in the center of the dry mix and pour the wet mixture slowly while whisking continuously to form a smooth, pourable batter about the thickness of pancake batter or slightly thinner. If the batter seems too thick, thin it with additional milk in 1 tablespoon increments until it reaches a thin, pourable consistency suitable for funneling. Pour 2 inches of neutral oil into a deep pan or Dutch oven and heat to 375 degrees F. Test temperature with a drop of batter that should sizzle and brown quickly. Use a funnel or squeeze bottle to pipe batter in concentric circles into the hot oil, working 1 cake at a time and frying each for about 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown and crisp. Drain funnel cakes on a wire rack, dust with about 1/4 cup powdered sugar, and serve hot immediately for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.